Ilang mga mambabatas nababahala sa isang Chinese artificial intelligence model na una nang bigyan ng ilang mga bansa dahil sa muna'y pagiging security risk. Armed Forces of the Philippines tiniyak na maigpit itong binabantayan. Si Daniel Manalastas sa sentro ng balita.
Natalakay sa Commission on Appointments Panel ang DeepSeek, isang Chinese artificial intelligence model. Tinanong ang ilang sundalo na sumalang sa CA hinggil dito. Ayon kay Brigadier General Constancio Espina II, sineseryoso ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang ilang usapin sa teknolohiya at hindi lamang DeepSeek, kundi ang iba pang teknolohiya na kanilang ginagamit.
Technology is a double-edged sword, so it can be used and it can be abused. So in the case of DeepSeek, of course, there are reports already in the media and in YouTube and in all of these outlets that it has some effects on things that, especially confidential things that we have. We are prohibiting our soldiers, our officers and men to use this technology to upload confidential information on matters of national security.
Si Congressman El Rey Villafuerte pinakita pa sa CA panel na sumubok siya ng DeepSeek at ito ang lumabas.
Meron kasi akong DeepSeek eh. Tinesting ko siya ngayon ha. Sabi ko, is China abusing its power in the South China Sea against the Philippines? Alam mo sagot? For AI sorry, I am not sure how to approach this question. Big sabihin, filtered yung AI nila.
Tanong naman ni Senator Ronald De La Rosa, sakaling magkaroon ng polisiya ang AFP sa pagbabawal ng DeepSeek, paano itong papatupad?
Cellphone inspection! No! Labas ng cellphone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Scroll down apps! No!
If it's a personal device that was bought by the soldier and the individual, that would be very difficult to implement. What I'm saying, sir, is to control where the information is passing.
Ayon sa tagapagsalita ng AFP, binabantayan na nila ang mga bumabalot sa issue ng DeepSeek sa harap ng mga security concerns. Tiniyak din nila nakatuon ang pansin ng AFP sa pagbabantay ng national security. Daniel Manalastas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.